Nizamabad having their hands full.
Third day of Telangana Cricket Association's Telangana Championship Cup 2015. It's the last innings of day 3. Difficult chance. Second, ball off. Hello. Checks it. Another catch in the same area. Clean ball. That's it. This was definitely a very nice catch taken by the fielder. Not really getting hold of that shot, the batsman walking away. That's played long on. So end of the match. Happy moments and winning moments for the winning side here.
Well, on time, 7:30 a.m. Come closer to the deer. We had three matches today. The first match was between Karimnagar and Adilabad. The second between Medak and Nizamabad. The third is between, just we all have witnessed, Adilabad and Nizamabad district. We have three matches. Now all the teams, the four teams which have entered into the semi-finals, they will be playing semi-finals tomorrow morning. We'll have again three matches tomorrow. The first match is at 7 a.m. Rangareddy versus Adilabad. The second, Karimnagar versus Medak. And the third and the final, whoever the winner of these two matches will play the final, followed by our mega closing and prize distribution ceremony. I take pleasure in inviting Dr. Abdul Hai to the stage, the chief guest for today's prize distribution ceremony. Dr. Abdul Hai is a very well-known cricketing personality. He has been a former Ranji player. He's been a coach. He has experience in the cricketing arena for more than 3 to 4 decades. He has played with veteran Indian cricket players, and with his rich experience, he has been trying to build up the game of cricket by giving his thoughtful insights to cricket. Thank you very much for being here, sir. We are honored with your presence here. I take pleasure now in inviting Rajesh Kasarapu, MD of TechBricks IT Solution Private Limited. He is also a technology partner and our sponsor. Welcome, sir. We are also happy with you. I take pleasure in inviting Sri Imran Sharif, CMD, Golconda Institute of Diamonds, reputed gemologist of the country. Thank you very much for being here, sir. He's on the advisory committee also.
I'm a very good friend of Rahul Bhai.
Thank you very much for being us here. Now I request Venkat to just throw some light on the matches of the first and second matches that happened today. Thank you.
Hello everyone. 3 matches were played today on the third day of the tournament. The first match was between Karimnagar and Adilabad. Karimnagar won the match. And the man of the match was Prithvi. Prithvi is around. The second match was played between Medak and Nizamabad. Medak took the match. The man of the match was Akhinder. The third match will be summarized by Faraz.
The 2 losers from the first 2 matches, Adilabad and Nizamabad, faced off in the eliminator match, which was 17 overs aside. Adilabad put up 129 runs on the board for 3 wickets. Notable contribution from Raju with 77 not out, 2 sixes, and Swami also chipped in with 25. Nizamabad in return bowled out for 101. Swami took 4 for 29 and Suresh 3 for 14. Ilyas top scored with 33 for Nizamabad, and Khalid also scored a healthy 14. We'll shortly announce the man of the match for this match as well, and Lavan will take over and announce the man of the match from the first 2 matches.
Match go. Karimnagar 110 target ఇచ్చింది. So winner the Karimnagar man of the match Prithvi.
Big hand.
55 runs and 3 wickets.
I request Abdullah Aidi to hand over the man of the match for the Karimnagar player Prithvi.
Second match Medak versus Nizamabad. Winner team Medak, man of the match Akhinder.
Rajesh will give the man of the match.
74 runs.
Put your hands together. All the best for your next match. All these are probables for man of the series. Imran Sharif ji will hand over the third man of the match. Just concluded match.
Notable contributions, as I just mentioned, Raju with 77 not out. However, the man of the match goes to Swami for an all-round effort. 25 runs followed by 4 wickets for 29 in his 4 overs. Well done, Swami. Congratulations.
Now, I request the captain Mehraj to come onto the stage. Give them a big hand. Splendid performance, good game, 3 matches they have played in this. Followed by Umar, vice captain, Sumair, wicketkeeper, Afroz, Khalid, and Ilyas. Rajesh will give to Khaju, Salman, Azhar, Shadiab, Siddiq.
Right, thank you.
Thank you. 2 matches today in this hot sun, full of energy, lot of hope. So all of you have a look at the cup. Nizamabad team will wait. स्टेज पे आ जाइए, स्टेज के पास आ जाइए.
राहुल सर.
I request Dr. Srikanth and Dr. Madhavi to say a few words for the players.
Hello. First of all, congratulations to the winning team. And on behalf of MaxCure, we are very happy to be here and we are very happy to be providing our services constantly for this association and many more tournaments to come in the same association. And regarding the players, we have encountered a few injuries today, and one of it was a chronic case which has been neglected. So I would request the players, the coaches to focus more on the fitness, more on the warm-ups and training and post-rehab. Any injuries, please do not neglect, please do not make them chronic, and so they are difficult to treat and maybe the player has to resign from the game and lose his career. So we don't want that happening, so please take care of the injuries and first of all prevent having any injuries by doing a good fitness regime. And we are any day happy to help you anytime in Hyderabad or in any other districts where our branches are. Thank you very much.
I'm really thanking you everyone who has helped this tournament go through this, and everyone has played very good matches, and I have seen today very good performance, and I would like to see a few of them play for the international matches. I would like to see them in my home in the TVs. And everyone, please take care of your health because fitness is the main thing for the sportsman. Because as long as they are fit, they are good for as the sportsman. Thank you, everyone. The players who has played well, and all the best for your future. Best.
But for the benefit of all players of TCA, let me tell you that MaxCure Hospital has opened up a new registry, health registry. They will be recording all your health records. They will be maintaining and they will be giving advice, suggestions specific to your dietary recommendations, specific to your health, physical health, and all the departments of MaxCure Hospitals. They'll work for bringing out the best health in all you players. Thank you very much, MaxCure, for providing this being a committed healthcare partner for TCA. Thank you very much. And I request our chief guest for today, Shri Abdul Hai, to say a few words in the benefit of the players. Thank you, sir.
At the outset, let me thank TCA and Mr. Rahul for calling me over here, and they have given me a full stomach, a heavy lunch also. Thank you for that. And as far as cricket is concerned, it is India's #1 game, and I have seen some good players over here. I was happy to see that cricket is flourishing even in our districts. My only suggestion was, if you people can approach HCA through TCA, you may be able to play for the state also. Some of you might get a chance to play for the state. There is a bit of talent over here, and if you're groomed well, you may do wonders. So wish you all the best to all of you, and I hope that as the doctor suggested that he wants to see some of you on his home TV, at least go through John at least so that you can give some of the plays
Yeah.
in his house also, all right?
Yep.
Thank you so much. All the best to you people. Good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much for your valuable suggestions, sir. We'll surely take it seriously and we'll surely groom up all our rural talent, and they'll be seen in the screens in every household very soon in this famous game of cricket. And now I request Rajesh to say a few words.
Hi, good evening. First of all, congratulate to winning team and all the best for tomorrow's players. I want to say one thing. When I was in teenage, I wanted to become a cricketer, but At that time, I had no opportunity. Right now, you have. We created a ground for you. You can play. I hope some people from this from TCA. I would like to say all the best for all of you. Thank you.
And I'm sure Imran Sharif is a very good speaker, motivator.
थैंक यू सो मच राहुल भाई, लेकिन मैं हिंदी में बात करना चाहूँगा। आप लोग हिंदी समझ सकते हैं? सबसे पहले आप सब लोगों को बहुत बहुत मुबारक, जो जीते उनको मुबारक और जो हारे उनको भी मुबारक। ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगा क्योंकि आप लोग थके हुए होंगे। एक बात बताऊँ कि पहली बार हम इस लाल बहादुर स्टेडियम में आप लोग क्रिकेट मैच खेले। मेरे ख्याल से उस पिच पर बड़े से बड़े क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स रन्स बनाए, तो आप लोग लकी हैं जिन्होंने भी यहाँ पर खेला है। आप TCA का शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि आप सबको इतनी अच्छा मौका दिया जा रहा है कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर आकर आप लोग क्रिकेट खेलें। अच्छा खेलिए, अच्छी फाइट दीजिए, बाकी वाले ऊपर वाले पे छोड़ दीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
All the teams have given their best effort and the standard of cricket was very high and appreciated by our guest Dr. Abdul Hai. We expect you all to come for the semi-final match starting at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Tomorrow we start off with Ranga Reddy versus Adilabad in the fight, Medak versus Karimnagar. The winner will go on to the final. There will be a short break between the semi-finals and the final. And look forward to having your presence, everyone. Thank you so much and good night and God bless.